Hi, welcome to Crafty Crafts at Sky Alice Jessie. My name's Debbie. Thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. Whether you're returning to my channel or you're a new viewer, welcome. Thank you so much. Well, today I've decided to make a choker because I like to add this lovely diamond border. This is my favourite stuff that I use in crafting. I've got it in light pink and dark pink, and I usually add it to items like display items and for vases and things like that, which I have on my other videos if you like to click in. But I looked at this beautiful diamond border and I thought I could make this into a lovely choker. So what you will need is, it's called a diamond border and it comes on a reel and you can get lots of colours. I've got dark pink, I've got light pink and this sort of peachy colour. And I do a bit of jewellery making, so I already had a clasp. Just going to show you this clasp here. Let me just adjust it slightly so you can see. You're going to need a clasp. You know the normal clasp what you have for on necklaces. You're going to need some little hoops, links, and you're going to need either a round nose plier, or if you don't have one, some tweezers. So let's get started. So we'll just pick up the clasp and then just thread the hoop through it. See? Just thread it through, and then we're going to pick up the end of the border, and in the middle we're going to just hook it in where there's a little hole. So we're going to just hook that in, just turn that in, you see, and then we're going to just close the hoop. I'm going to use the end of these pliers just to close the hoop. Make sure it's next to each other. See, I've closed the hoop now. So it should look like this. See? And then we're going to turn to the other side. We're going to open this hoop. You see, this is the size of the hoop. Sort of just a medium size, I'd call it. And then we're going to just open the hoop just by pulling it apart. So I've just opened the hoop by just simply pulling it apart, and then we're going to take this one and just thread it through. Yeah, we've just threaded it through, you see? So the clasp is going to go through here. So we're going to take the other side. Oops, it's just falling off. I'm just going to thread it back on. Yeah, just threaded it back on. Right. Okay, so we're going to go to the other side of the border and we're going to hook it in. You see there's a hole there, so we're going to take advantage of that and we're going to hook it in. We're going to just thread it in. Just simply thread it in. There we are, just give it a turn. Just turn it, that's it. So we've, oops, that's just fallen off. But we see we've threaded it in, and then we're going to close it. Just take me pliers, I'm going to close it. So make sure it doesn't fall off. You could either use your tweezers to close it in, or you can just use your round nose pliers to close it in. Pull it apart and then make sure it's closed in. I'm just going to have a look nearer because that's it. Yeah, I've pushed it together. You see it's together now, isn't it? So that's it. It's ready to put around your neck. So I'm going to just put it around my neck. Just put my hair up like that. Open it up. Open up the clasp. Put it behind me. Find the hook. Oh, my cat's here. My cat wants one as well. It's a little bit fiddly when you've got no one to do it up, so you just have to feel your way. I mean, not like I can ask the cat to put it on for me. So there, I've done it. You see? My beautiful choker. So where you can get the clasps and the hoops is called jewellery findings. So if you just Google jewellery findings, then all the little clasps and the little hoops would come up under there. And I'll just remind you, these are called round nose pliers. So you could use these, but you could just use like tweezers, or you could just kind of use your hands to hook it on and then to put on the hook and then close it. I wouldn't say this is essential, not for that, but it's just that I've got them because I make been dabbling a bit of jewellery. So I might add something onto this at a later date. I don't know. I've got some pretty little pendants. I might hang one on, or maybe a few. I don't know. I might hang this on. I've still got plenty of diamond border left, so I might make that into. Can make that into a bracelet. You can just cut some off and do the same thing, but just the size of your wrist. Make it into a nice. So you can make that into a nice bracelet. So you'd have a matching choker bracelet, or you can even cut these. These can cut if you think it's too wide. You can even just easily cut these, so it would be a thinner one. So it could be a thinner one. It's all up to you. I suppose you can cut half of it and make it into even an ankle chain as well. I might do that actually. But thank you so much for watching my channel. If you've got any comments or any questions, please comment down below. And if you consider subscribing to me, which I'll be very grateful for, please click the notification bell so they let you know that I've made another video. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye bye for now, from me and this is Jessica, from me and Jessie.